Hello everyone and welcome to the Excel Hub. In this video, I will show you how to run a macro automatically when using a scroll bar. Scroll bars in Excel are great for controlling the viewable range of data, but what if you want to trigger a specific action, like updating a chart or recalculating a range every time the scroll bar is used? In our example, we have a Gantt chart and would like the start and end dates in the horizontal axis to update automatically when the scroll bar is used. The first step is to go to the Developer tab and to insert an Activex control scroll bar and draw it below the chart. Activex controls are more versatile than form controls because they allow us to trigger events directly through VBA. This scroll bar will allow us to control a value dynamically. Now let's link it to cell G3. To do this, go into the Developer tab and ensure that Design Mode is selected. Then right-click the scroll bar, click Properties, and then set the linked cell property to G3. Now, every time that we move the scroll bar, you can see that the value in cell G3 will update. This value will be used to trigger our macro. Now that we have our scroll bar set up, let's go into Visual Basic. We have written this macro, which is designed to update the minimum and maximum value as the spacing of our Gantt chart based on the values in column G in the Excel sheet. We want to activate this macro whenever the scroll bar is used. To do this, we can go into the sheet we are in and do this within Visual Basic, and we can insert the following code. This is telling Excel that when scroll bar 1, which is the name of our scroll bar, when the value of this scroll bar changes, then the macro we wrote should be executed. So let's test it out. When we enter the dynamic Gantt chart sheet and then use our scroll bar, the adjust axis bounds macro is activated, which adjusts the chart settings based on the values in cells G6, G9, and G12. If you would like to learn more about how the adjust axis bounds macro works, then see the video in the description below where I explain this in more detail. In summary, that's how you can automatically run a macro when a scroll bar is used, which is often more user-friendly than requiring the user to click a button. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful, and subscribe to the Excel Hub for future Excel tutorials, techniques, and examples.